What would happen if a dwarf planet collided with Earth? A chilling question indeed. Today we delve into the potential effects of such a catastrophic event, specifically focusing on Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Imagine a celestial body, about 940 kilometers in diameter, hurtling towards Earth at an astronomical speed. The immediate impact would be akin to the combined energy of billions of atomic bombs, causing an explosion that would decimate everything in its path. But the devastation doesn't end there. The blast would unleash a global catastrophe, sending shockwaves that would ignite fires, trigger tsunamis, and cause massive destruction far beyond the point of impact. A colossal amount of dust and debris would be ejected into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and plunging the world into a frigid nuclear winter. This sudden and drastic drop in temperature would have dire consequences for agriculture and ecosystems, potentially leading to mass extinctions. If Ceres were to strike an ocean, the force would trigger enormous tsunamis, inundating coastal regions across the globe and washing away everything in their path. But it's not just about the physical destruction. The seismic energy from the impact would cause massive earthquakes, rippling across the Earth far from the impact site. In the wake of such an event, our planet's atmosphere could also undergo drastic changes. The impact could release gases and particles, altering the composition of the atmosphere and exacerbating the already severe climate changes. To sum it all up, a collision between Earth and Ceres would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The repercussions would be far-reaching and long-lasting, reshaping the face of our planet and life as we know it. Thankfully, the odds of such an event are astronomically low. Ceres maintains its orbit within the asteroid belt, a safe distance from our planet. But the thought of such a collision serves as a stark reminder of our place in the vast expanse of the universe and the fragility of our existence.